Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yunus and I am from Elmecon. Today I would like to presentation and then demonstration about our project that we call water management system. What is water management system? Come here. Basically, water management system is a system that reuse water that usually we don't use it anymore. For the example, we can use rainwater and then water from the air conditioner. And in this project, we are using water from the air conditioner. First thing first, we will keep the water in this bucket, and then after the water is full, the pump uh, we will pump this water to this closet over there. And in this project, we are using system control. Uh, can you see this? This is a Samsung Artik, okay, from Samsung. And then this one is a sensor from Omron. In this project, we're using two sensor. The sensor is the function of the sensor is to detecting the water level. Can you see? There is 3 point water level. First is low, and then middle, so the last in high. And then we also using 3 point water level in this closet. You see, there is low, middle, and then high. Okay, so how it does work? When you finish your job, you will push that button and then the water will be flushed the toilet. So when the water is empty, the pump is automatically pump the water to this closet, and then after that, a few seconds later, a notification will be reset to the smartphone. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. Let's be doing demonstration. Okay, first we will flush the toilet. Water will be flushed, and then when the lowest sensor active, the automatically pump will be pump the water to this faucet. So can you see? After we will set a second, I mean middle water level active, pump will be stop working. Okay, see, this is pump has been stopped. So we will be waiting for the notification. Okay, after a few seconds, message will be received to the smartphone. Looks like there is no signal here. Oh, here we go. Okay, can you see this? Can you see? Enough. We'll open the message. Okay, the message is you have saved clean water. So it means you have been successfully saved water, and then the system is worked correctly. So this is the end of this demonstration. Thank you for watching. See you.